In the heart of the festive town known as Tinseltown, Christmas magic filled the air, and excitement danced in the eyes of its townsfolk. The annual Gingerbread House Competition was the highlight, where the scent of sweet spices and sugary delights wafted through the bustling streets. In amongst this merriment lived 12-year-old Hilda, whose ambition and creativity knew no bounds. Her greatest wish was to win this year's competition with a gingerbread house unlike anything the town had ever seen. However, this dream wasn't easy. Hilda's younger brother, Brian, was an 8-year-old whirlwind of curiosity and joy. Eager to help his sister, Brian often found himself in the thick of Hilda's creative world, though his clumsy little fingers usually managed more harm than help. Their quiet neighbor Vincent, a shy but brilliant 10-year-old, watched from afar. A wizard with puzzles but not so much with people, he admired Hilda's determination, yet preferred the shadows where there was no need for conversation. The night before the grand competition, Hilda's spirited dreams hit a snag. The oven, in one fiery puff, turned her gingerbread pieces to char. Desperate to keep her dream alive, Hilda found herself poking around the dusty corners of the attic. It was there, tucked atop a forgotten shelf, she discovered an ancient recipe book. The pages whispered secrets of the most magical gingerbread house ever. But there was a catch. To bring it to life, they needed rare ingredients hidden within the mystical heart of Tinseltown. Their quest led them to their first stop, the Frosty Fountain. Everything about this fountain was slippery, and slippery it was indeed, for collecting the enchanted water proved tricky. Hilda, Brian, and Vincent learned to navigate this challenge by working together. Next came the Whimsical Workshop. Bursting with cheeky elves and merry mischief, Hilda and the boys needed patience. Mixing the perfect dough was no simple task amid playful distractions. Yet, they endured the hustle and bustle, learning valuable lessons. The last challenge took them deep into the mystical embrace of the glittering grove. Here, nothing but creativity could guide them, as they decorated their gingerbread canvas with the grove's sparkling treasures. Their teamwork brought their creation to life. By the time the magical house was complete, the three friends had crafted more than just gingerbread. They'd spun together threads of friendship and woven lessons of patience, teamwork, and creativity into their hearts. When the day of the competition arrived, their creation gleamed with a subtle magic drawn from the places and lessons they'd traversed. Though they didn't win that golden first prize, they won something arguably more valuable. The spirit of Christmas medal shone around their necks as a testament to the remarkable journey they'd undertaken. Hilda, Brian, and Vincent stood hand in hand, realizing they'd gained something exceptional. The magic of their adventure was as sweet and fulfilling as any victory. The bustling cheers of the town faded into a tinkling background hum as Hilda looked at her newfound friends. Our gingerbread journey, she said with a smile, was our real prize. And as the bells of Tinseltown rang in a new festive night, the glowing warmth of their friendship lightened the way home.